Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set up a password for apps on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. For this we can use the secure folder, which allows you to create separate instances and keep different accounts for the same apps. So in order to set up the secure folder, we need to go to the settings. In the settings you want to go to security and privacy, and then over here you want to go to more security settings, and then here you have the secure folder. If you enter this for the first time, then you will need to set it up and you will be able to choose the lock type. Now in my case I have used a simple pin code, but you can also use the password or pattern, and in addition to that, fingerprint also works. Now once you have it, you can find the secure folder in the app drawer. And now over here you can add anything that you want to have protected. So let's say I have TikTok added or WhatsApp, but let's say I'm gonna add another app like Facebook, let's say. And now I can open Facebook through the secure folder. We can also press these three dots over here and then choose lock and exit. And now if we try to reopen secure folder, we will need to enter the pin code, password, or draw the pattern in order to access these apps. But let's say that you don't want to have Facebook in the app drawer as well. So if you want to have it only in the secure folder in order to have it fully protected. In order to do so, we can now hide Facebook in the home screen and the app drawer, because I also have Facebook app over here. So let's actually go to settings one more time. This time we want to go to home screen and then scroll down to go to hide apps on home and apps screen. So here I'm gonna choose Facebook because, like I said, I don't want to have it in home screen and apps. And if I do so, then now Facebook is gone. I don't have it over here anymore. And if I go back to the home screen, it is missing as well. But if I go to secure folder, it is still there. So you need to remember to lock and exit if you want to lock the secure folder and have the password protection. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!